Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to do a very quick energy spell. It's a love spell. You're going to need a bit of brown paper, just regular paper. I like using brown paper or parchment paper. Now this spell is for, look, you've got to be realistic about this. It's got to be someone that's around you, somebody that you know, someone that you see about, somebody that you want to get to know. Not someone living in a different country, because realistically, how is that going to work? So, yeah, this spell is for someone who's around you, you're around them, you see them every now and again, and you want to get their attention. Right, so what you're going to do is draw a triangle. You draw a triangle and you're going to write his name or her name down the middle. So you write his name on her or her name down the middle. Whoever you want to attract is going down the middle. You're going to write your name going on the sides. So this is going to be your name. On all the sides is your name, on the inside of the triangle, okay? Right, so it looks like that. Now you're going to do your name going across the person of interest. Okay, so your name is going to be going across here. Three times. Make sure and keep all the writing within the triangle. It's very important. Keep everything within. You're going to add 2 lines going on either side at the bottom. Okay, draw it exactly as I'm doing it. And you're doing one going through the middle. Okay, so it looks like that. Okay, then what's that going to do is that's actually sealing in the spell, it's sealing in the energies, okay? And this is what's going to make it work very quick for you. Now anything that you want drawn to yourself, you always fold the paper to yourself. You're going to fold it 3 times. So 1, turn it to the right, another time, turn it to the right, and fold it. You only need to fold it 3 times. Now when you've done this, when you go to bed, you put this under your pillow. You sleep with it every night. In the mornings you have it with you, during the day you have it with you. Whatever the case is, you have this bit of paper with you, whether you're sleeping, you keep it with you at all times. That way this is going to make the energies work quicker. You have to remember, we are all energy. We can attract whatever energy that we desire. Okay, it's just about putting it into practice, and with simple spells like this, it manifests very, very quickly. Okay, so as I said, this working is for somebody that you know, there's someone that's around you, that you see and want to get close with. And yeah, keep it with you at all times until what you want has manifested. Once it's manifested, you no longer need the paper. You can move on to something else, something maybe a bit stronger. But yeah, this is going to get the person of interest interested in you, want to get to know you, and it's gonna manifest the way you want. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys. Until the next video, take care. Bye.